Act I, The Hook, opening scene. Soft, deliberate tone. Gentle pauses. Have you ever wondered why two people can walk through the same storm, and one feels broken, while the other feels reborn? Why some walk through life with light in their eyes, while others feel trapped in shadows, even though they live under the same sun? The difference is not the world itself. It's the mind. Your thoughts are not just whispers in the silence of your head. They are currents. They are architects. They are invisible hands, shaping the world you step into each day. This is the law of mentalism. And once you see it, you can never unsee it. Act 2, The Nature of the Mind, beginning of story arc. Picture this. A child stands at the edge of a forest. The trees rise tall, casting long shadows across the ground. One child sees wonder, a kingdom of green, 1,000 possibilities. Another sees only fear, monsters in the shadows, dangers lurking where the light cannot reach. The forest has not changed, but the world within their minds has created two entirely different realities. And this is what most people never realize. The mind does not just observe reality. It builds it. Every thought you think is like a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. Every belief, a pattern carved deep into the architecture of the unseen. And whether you know it or not, you are painting. You are carving. You are shaping. Every single day, but here lies the tension. Most of us are not the masters of our thoughts. We are their prisoners. The thought of failure. The thought of not being enough. The thought of endless limitation. These thoughts, invisible though they may be, build walls around us. They build prisons we cannot see. And so we sit inside them, believing the bars are real. Act 2, Rising Tension, The Struggle Within. There was a man once who spent his days in silence. People thought him strange. He barely spoke. But inside, his mind was a battlefield. He woke each morning with a thought that whispered, "You are too small. You are too weak. You will fail." He carried this voice everywhere. And soon, his world reflected it. Doors closed before he reached them. Opportunities seemed to vanish. Everywhere he turned, he found proof of his smallness. But here's the hidden truth. The world was not proving him right. It was his thoughts that built the world he walked through. He believed he was small, and so life shrank to fit his belief. Voice softens. Haven't you felt it, too? That invisible echo of your own thoughts, coming back to you through the world around you. The moment you believe no one understands you, suddenly, every face feels distant. The moment you believe you will fail, your body moves with hesitation. Your choices close down. Your world narrows. This is the law of mentalism at work. The inner becomes the outer. The invisible becomes the visible. The world mirrors the mind.